Hey gang, this is David, Trash Can Garage. Sunday, February 25th, 2024. Did anybody miss me? As promised, I am back. Doing some prep work on our final large floorboard patch on the Pontiac. There's a look at what we're dealing with. Got the area cut out. Got my first piece of metal cut and fit in. A reminder for some folks who haven't been around for a while. My work is spotty. My wife is terminal with respiratory failure, so that takes up most of my time. I don't get a lot of time on the weekends to come down here and work. So, moving along, let's get started. All right, we got our sheet metal laid out here for our floor patch. And a reminder, this is what we're working on here. Got it roughly cut out, and it's a fresh piece of 19 gauge, nice and flat. We're going to pre-stretch it. So if I do it right, which I practiced over here, you'll see the market leaves. So if I do it right, little oil can, pre-stretching it. And then we'll bead roll it, and it should come out fairly flat if I do it right. We'll see what happens. All right, here we go. We've hit it with our English wheel. And because of the low quality English wheel and the fact that it's not true, I had a heck of a time steering it and keeping it in the line because it wants to pull to one side because the upper wheel isn't true. So, but I did get it accomplished. You can see it's oil canned a little bit. I pre-stretched it. You can see how it's laying there. You can see our marks where we pre-stretched it. A little bump there, and a little bump right there. So, when we take it to the bead roller, it should flatten it back out. So we'll bead roll it next and see what kind of mischief we can get into. All right, so we've gotten our floorboard patch pre-stretched on our English wheel, our perfectly shitty English wheel. Had to fight it because it doesn't want to run a straight line. It pulls to one side. Anywho, we've got it pre-stretched, and I showed you what the oil canning looks like. Then we took it over to the bead roller and ran a couple of quick beads. This is how I got it set up. I use a little different setup to give me a little tighter and a neater bead. Got that done, and you can see pre-stretching worked. It's laying fairly flat. She's ready to weld in. This will be a short video, but we did make some progress. And let me lay this in there real quick and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, got our piece test fit in there. And we do have our holes drilled to do some spot welds on the brace underneath. I laid that out last week, pre-drilled them and rooming them out properly, and
So I got a nice little beveled surface to lay my spot welds. I'll just jack up because of the thickness of the brace underneath there, I'll jack up my amperage a little bit on the welder and drop beads in there, and that'll keep everything all nice and steady. And then I'll tack there, I'll tack there, I'll tack here. I got a little fill work to do here. I'll tack it on the corner here. And then I'll be making panels to go here, and a panel to go there, and a panel to go there. Jigsaw puzzle, such as it is for this amateur. So that's where we're standing right now. Hopefully in another week or so I'll get another video put together with this thing actually welded in. So thanks for sticking with me, and we'll catch you soon. This is Dave with Trash Can Garage. Y'all have a good week. See you around the daylight savings time, March 10th. Bye.